You are? There you are.
Working on my tunnel.
Sit back.
What is the one thing that you wish everybody knew about their vehicle?
That is due regularly. Just because the light comes on doesn't mean ignore it. Take it to a shop, see what that light means, get it taken care of before something worse happens along the line.
I like it. I like it. And you're talking about that check engine light. All right.
Engine light, maintenance light, anything.
Yeah. Tire pressure light. I mean, that can pop on. That means you got a tire problem maybe. So, yeah don't ignore that tire light.